How to round corners in Photoshop. Rounded corners can be a great way to soften the edges of a rectangle or other shape. In this video, I will walk you through how to round the corners in Photoshop. First, select the rectangle tool from the left side of the screen and draw a normal rectangle shape. To round the corners of a shape, click and drag the blue handle on the corner of the shape to adjust the corner radius to your desired roundness. This method works for rounding the corners of rectangles, triangles, squares, and other shapes. To round the corners of a photo, place the photo on your canvas, select the rectangle tool from the left toolbar, and draw a rectangle shape over the photo. In the Layers panel, drag the photo layer above the rectangle shape layer. Right-click on the photo layer and choose Create Clipping Mask from the menu. This will clip the photo to the rounded rectangle shape below it. The corners of the photo will now match the rounded corners of the rectangle layer. And that's a wrap on this Photoshop tutorial for rounding the corners on shapes and images. I hope you now feel confident about using the corner radius properties to create rectangles and other objects with smooth, rounded edges. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I regularly post new tutorial videos to help you solve your issues.